This is Bitcoin on our. As you can see, it's the Fisher is bullish. The trend is bullish. The price is looking to target this double top here. Uh, it's pretty interesting as to if we could take this opportunity at the bottom of the super trend support and then move up from there. There's a 2-3% trade there, and if that is broken down, then it's a whole bigger trade. like uh, like I said yesterday of with the spy as well. uh, this kind of top when broken down, it's generally a longer term trade. It's for the moment, it's in this inside this channel. We can trade, but we need to be as close as to the bottom as possible, which is around 37,400, 37,000, yeah, 37 round. So that's more of our entry area, and that gives us a very healthy, like 4 to 1, 5 to 1, 4 to 1 risk to reward, and then can target that trade. So apart from that, if we go to the longer terms, it's not really any different. Only the support is going to go to the lower parts of the mm, uh, so this is going to become like a long trade. It's a trade that is continuing still. It's uh, almost 42% trade, which is continuing still. Ideally, since our fisher only changed colors at this juncture, at this point, maybe we would have taken the trade from this area itself. So it doesn't really make a difference, but it's an opportunity nonetheless. So it's it's going to be very interesting what it does next, because this level, when it is broken, there is going to be significant upside, and at a faster rate, that is which could trigger market wide rally. So in a scenario like this, it's it's not like we don't need to mention that we need to monitor the market. We need to be following everything what is happening. But for the moment, the downside momentum uh, looks lacking, even though ideally there should be some sort of a downside momentum. But because the market is also rallying, not the crypto, the other markets are rallying, the dollar is weak, the yields are pulling back, the market is tapping on the risk on environment. uh, uh, we cannot bank on that. In any case, I'll be watching if you want, and I'll let you know. But for the moment, that 1 hour trade, which I mentioned at the beginning, is the way to go. So this is the way to go at the moment. For the moment, for the day. But on the long term, as I said, the complicated scenario is complicated enough.